Oh, because it's for Superwoman.
For everyone, my lady, it's like a dream. It's nothing more precious than to raise a family.
To be in love with you.
And that's the reason why hers look way different. Look at this, guys.
Bling bling.
One off.
Every time I turn around.
Bling bling.
So now we're at the point where we're stripping these down and we're gonna go as far as powder coating these.
What color?
White.
White? That should look good with the what new wheels they got in it now? Some bolts?
Yeah, those.
Some white bolts. We'll check those out in a minute.
T3C7 coupler.
So underneath's gonna be all black with white arms. So anything gonna be white?
No.
What else?
Special color coming soon.
Diff mount's gonna be white?
Can't tell you.
Diff mount's gonna be white. Check it out. The new wheels going on here. We're gonna clean them up. Some bolt race. Oh yeah. My motor. Front wheel drive trannies out. We're gonna be dropping the all wheel drive tranny in next.
Let's just put it on this rag thingy.
Nice. We're gonna spray it just like that. Same thing.
No, this is powder coated.
Oh crap.
We're not doing that anymore.
Getting all the fuel stuff done up right now. Sitting up within the tank already.
And I am going through running all the lines. These are all the brake lines. They're already done by Johnny.
Johnny, big up Johnny.
Everybody knows Johnny here.
Johnny the
local.
tuck master.
Yeah, tuck master Johnny. Just running cables, putting some nice bolts in, and Some's gonna get all these bolts from Downstar.
Downstar. Okay, nice. And you guys already dropped in the all-wheel drive trans?
All-wheel drive trans is in.
Ooh. Oh, it's official now.
All-wheel drive trans is in. Axles are back in.
Axles are back in.
We are waiting for a mount for that side, and we got our T-bracket in, and that's that.
And we're gonna put up
we're gonna do the
diff
drive
and
shaft
then
today,
and then drive, measure it and everything.
Measure for drive shaft today.
Okay, cool. All right, guys. MyLynh titanium car's coming. Jay's at the control as usual. What do you guys think? Match the car, everything. Doing the diff mount, and we're doing the cover for the CRV Diff. Looking sweet. Hopping.
So we got this thing powder coated. We put it back on. I'm gonna change up the seal. So when you guys get this from like a Diff from us, we always recommend changing out the seal because we don't know, you know, that's something that you should always do.
You want an all-wheel drive kit? You want an all-wheel drive kit too?
Nova!
Also, two different types of seal.
Yeah, there's one. This one's this bigger one, and this side here is the smaller, the smaller side. But this one here, I'm not gonna bang it with that. I'm just that one's pretty easy to get in. I'm gonna get a thing for this.
A big on that.
Put up like this. Thank you.
Woo. Came out good. If you guys want yours like this, just let us know in the comments.
Now we're gonna 20 powder coat orders. I have to disassemble all the dang.
Everything blue. Dang.
So hopefully tomorrow we got something special for this car here for the dry shaft.
A special drive shaft?
Yeah, special dry shaft.
Don't hold on. Oh, we'll see. I don't even know. I don't even know.
Not yet.
Not yet. All right, guys. You like it? You like it? Stay tuned.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always
we'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1 all wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. S1 all wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always
we'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. We ain't even on the straights, yeah. Warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SX, CRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. S1 all-wheel drive, got them